Hello everyone, welcome back to channel. Today we are diving into super useful topic, how to improve, how to boost your SEO with ChatGPT. Expert tip to raise your score from 3 to 60 plus. Where you are a developer or a WordPress lover, this guide will help you to improve your SEO and with simple prompt. So let's get started. I just generate a prompt for actually these are with rank math. uh, we are first install rank math from admin panel. Go to go to plugins etc and go to go at here and search rank math at here. Okay, and now at here and this will come and install now and activate. At my end it is already installed. Now go to any product page or any other page I am at here for product. Now it is SEO is 4 only. So first copy and then at here go now it is a simple prompt which I generate by R&D with the help of rank math. They provide many thing at here: basic SEO 6 error, additional 9 error. So they provide many suggestion at here. So mm now first I paste my title at here. Now I am pasting my prompt to ChatGPT. Okay, 1 minute. I am reading my ChatGPT prompt. Generate focus keyword. SEO title focus keyword must be in SEO title. SEO description focus keyword must found in SEO Meta Description. SEO link focus keyword must found in the URL and between 50 to 60 character. Description at least 600 word. Give title with contain a power word at least one, and short description for following title. Okay, title is here. Whenever you we use this prompt, then always paste title in at here and then just copy from here and paste to ChatGPT. Now let's see magic. It is focus keyword. Now close this window. Now focus keyword, copy focus keyword from here and paste at here. Okay, and also paste focus keyword at image. So click on image and you will get alt text. So also paste at here and set product image again. Okay, cool. And then SEO title, uh, click on edit snippet, paste SEO title at here. SEO description at here. And SEO link will be like this. At here I passed 150 gram. So as many SEO experts say that this link between with 150 gram etc, so that it will be very helpful for SEO. Okay, so 150 gram must be there. So okay, now go to title. So at here this is given 150 gram. Okay, actually this product is of 150 grams, so I am adding 150 gram at here and add some short description at here. Short description. Now add long description. This is long description. Okay, long description at here. Okay, now check SEO score. It is 74. So it is very awesome. From 4 to 74, it is improve very quickly. I think inside 5 to 6 minutes by a simple as prompt. So you can you can also use this prompt and uh, you will get best score at your end. That's all. That's it. You now know how to improve SEO via ChatGPT. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials. Drop your question or experience with improve SEO in the comment below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.